Hello everyone, welcome to all in our EVS class. Lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things. And today we will see the next point, that is seasonal changes in living things. Children, do you know which are the three seasons in our India? Yes, summer, the rainy, and winter. Total, we have three seasons in our India. So let's see in details. It is very hot in summer. We feel hot and sweaty. We wear cotton clothes. We wear light, loose cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep our body cool. We drink plenty of water. In summer we feel thirsty, so we drink a lot of water. In the rainy season, we use umbrellas or different kinds of raincoats and hoods to avoid getting wet in the rain. Children, we use different kinds of raincoats, umbrellas, hoods because they keep our clothes dry. In winter, we wear woolen and other warm clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. In winter, we need warm clothes like sweater, scarf, blanket. They keep our body warm. Just as the three seasons affect us, they affect all other living things too. We see these changes taking place in the living world every year, year after year. Now, let's see how effects of season on other living things. We will see winter season in details. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal, that is the falling of leaves. Children, Pangal is Marathi term. Pangal means leaves fall down. That is because many trees shed their leaves in winter. Shed means fall. In winter season, trees' leaves falls naturally. Now let's see what changes takes place in the animals. The coats of many furry animals become thicker in winter. Furry means hairy. A furry animal is covered with thick and soft hair, and growth of hair become thicker or long in winter. So this keeps them warm in cold. Such growth of hair is noticeable in animals like sheep, goats, and rabbits. The end of winter is also the time for the mango trees to start blossoming. Blossoming means getting new flowers, and these flowers turn into fruits. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. At the close of month means at the end of the month of February, it becomes warmer, and by March we begin to feel the heat. It's time for summer. In this season, many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken on copper color. Appear means looks, because these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. Tender means soft and small. Their color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. The call of koel is heard in many places. We can hear a call of koel in summer season. In summer, the market is full of mangoes and watermelons for us to buy. This is the season for these fruits. Although mango trees grow all over Maharashtra, the Konkan region is famous for its mangoes. It is also the season for cashew nuts. The red yellow cashew apples can be seen growing on the cashew trees on the hillsides in the Konkan region. Now let's see rainy season. In June, black clouds make their appearance. In June, we see black clouds in the sky. The rainy season is a short way away. Children, can you guess which fruits we get in a rainy season? Okay, I will tell. By this time, we get jackfruits, jamuns, that is Java plums, and karvandas. We get different fruits in different season. The seeds of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. Scattered means spread. The seeds of grass and other plants spread on the ground. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. It becomes green everywhere. This greenery is soothing after hot summer months. Children, soothing means relaxing or refresh. This greenery is refresh us after hot summer month. Sometimes we can even see the rainbow with its 7 colors in the sky. As it becomes wet everywhere, frogs appear. In rainy season we see frogs everywhere. We also hear the loud noise of frogs croaking all together. Croaking means sound of frogs. For us, the rainy season is the season for crops to grow in field. Farmers work hard in the field or farm. As the rainy season ends, it's time for winter to make a comeback. After rainy season, winter come back. In winter, it gets colder and colder. And this is not good for frogs. So they go deep under the ground for long period of slumber, which lasts for 7 or 8 months. Slumber means going for deep sleep, and this sleep lasts for 7 or 8 months. Children, always remember, the environment changes with the season. Living things have to adapt themselves to those changes. Adapt means adjust. Living things have to adjust themselves to those changes. New words: Pangal, shade, furry, blossoming, tender, scatter, soothing, croaking, slumber. Children, you have to copy these words in your notebook and read the lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things.